I'm Gina Green, your wellness coach and essential oils mentor. Throughout my journey, I've been dedicated to empowering women through harnessing the incredible potential of essential oils. Along with that, my mission extends beyond physical wellness. It's also about anchoring one's well-being and nurturing a positive mindset. Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you a topic that's very close to my heart, and I believe is something many of us can relate to: the stressed woman. Have you ever asked yourself, how do I relieve stress? Or even, how do I manage stress? Especially for women, stress can affect us emotionally and even physically. Women can face stress every day as they juggle multiple roles, like being a mom, a partner in a relationship, or working in a high-stress job. Did you know that according to one study, the number of women experiencing work-related stress is 50% higher than for men of the same age? When it comes to being stressed women, I've been there. In this video, I'd like to share a few insights and personal experiences on relieving stress in your life. Before we dive into the tips, it's important to understand what stress is. Stress is a natural response to life's demands, and it can affect both our mental and physical well-being. As women, we often carry the weight of many responsibilities, and it's crucial to recognize when we need to take a step back and address our stress levels. Let's start with step one, which is self-care. It's not selfish to prioritize yourself. In fact, it's a product of a lifetime of learning. Consider activities like journaling, practicing gratitude, or even exploring a new hobby. Self-care is about nurturing your soul and to rejuvenate your spirit. Step two is to incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Exercise not only reduces stress, but it also boosts your energy and mood. I've found solace in simple activities like walking, hiking, swimming, and even belly dancing. Based on my own journey, the key is to find out what brings you joy. For the third step, let's talk about mindfulness and deep breathing. Life can be fast-paced, but my life experience has taught me the value of finding moments of stillness. Explore mindfulness apps. Try progressive muscle relaxation, yoga, or practice deep breathing exercises regularly. Step four encourages you to connect with supportive people. Having faced stress throughout my life, I've learned that seeking support is a sign of strength. Surround yourself with friends, family, or support groups who understand your journey. Lean on their shared experiences and insights. And now for a special tip, step 5, which involves doTERRA essential oil aromatherapy. Aromatherapy can be a valuable tool in your stress reduction toolbox. Oils such as lavender, balance, and adaptive can provide a calming effect. And consider oils like frankincense for grounding and peppermint for a refreshing boost. From my own experience, incorporating essential oils can provide moments of serenity in your day that boost your joy and happiness. As women, managing stress is an ongoing journey. It's about applying insight and personal experiences to care for yourself. Remember, self-care, exercise, mindfulness, seeking support, and aromatherapy are all powerful ways to reduce stress. You have the strength and the wisdom gained from a lifetime of challenges to navigate life's hurdles. Take care of yourself and each other, and thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please share and like it with someone who might benefit from these stress reduction tips. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights and personal experiences. Take care, and I'll see you next time.